Hi everyone, in this video I'm showing you how you can easily enrich your company list with OpenAI API so that you can get the value proposition, the industry, target audience, and the market of your targeted companies. So here I have a list of companies with the associated websites. Okay, I want to enrich this list with the value proposition of the company, the industry they work on, their target audience, and the market. Okay. So let's see how can we do this with Make. So here in Make, I have an Airtable module that calls that company list table. And I want to retrieve all this information. I can limit the output to 30. Okay, let's see what happens. It's already quite a lot. So will allow me to show you also how to handle the errors that you might encounter. Okay, so the next module is an HTTP module that basically we use to scrape the information as HTML from the website. Then that HTML data is transformed into text with this text parser module. Then the text is analyzed by ChatGPT. Okay, and I ask ChatGPT to output the format as JSON. Okay, in a JSON format, so giving me the value proposition, the industry, target audience, and the market. So it gives me a string as an output. So I need to parse that string, okay, in order to get a JSON. This is the string as an input, and I want a JSON bundle that looks like this, so that I can easily paste it again and map it on my Airtable base, as you can see here. Okay, so here I have some error handling that you might encounter. So this one, basically, some websites maybe do not exist anymore, or we cannot scrape them. There are some issues with the get call. So I want to set the status again to 200, and the output data will be unable to process the website. So if the data is unable to process the website, like this was a previous scenario that I launched, in this case, I'm pasting on the value proposition unable to process the website. So I will know for which companies the website is giving some problems. Then also here, sometimes the OpenAI API has some rate limits, or there are too many calls at the moment. It's down, so we don't want our scenario to break. So in that case, again, I used the same module, the same error handler, that is resume, so that I can set the output as NA, so that I will know that if I see that printed in our table, it means that I had a problem with the OpenAI module. Okay, then you can choose whatever you want to paste, and there are many different ways to handle errors in Make. I think this shows me well where the error was, and also allows me to continue processing my data in the scenario. So let's launch it and see how it goes. So here, as you can see, the first one went well. So I went to this branch. So here I have, it's CRM technology. So if I go to CRM technology, okay. Okay, here it is. So I have it checked. The status changed to checked. The target audience is 16. Okay, and basically it's a company that produces products of high quality in metal. Okay, I asked ChatGPT to give me the result in Italian. Then of course you can ask any language that you want. Okay, so here, as you can see, it's filling some data. Okay, here we have an example of unable to process the website. So it was a problem with the HTTP module. Okay, so let's see, now it's going. So we have two websites that were unable to process. For the moment, all the rest is going well on on the OpenAI API. So here another one that was processed. So as you can see, now my table is being enriched. So let's wait for it to finish. Okay, now the scenario finished. So as you can see, we have analyzed 30 websites. 9 of them presented some problems on the HTTP module. Okay, so we changed to unavailable, and this is why we have also 9 records in an Airtable that will be unable to process the website. Here they are. We didn't encounter any problems on OpenAI, which is good. And so it means that we had enriched our list with 21 company information in 5 minutes. So hope it helped. Bye.